Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for today's shorts video I'm going to try this one. So it's dried mango. So it's from Vietnam, I think. So we will try this one. So oh my god, see. Oh my god. So I will try one bite. So ito yung texture niya. It's really a real mango na pinatuyo. Oh, see? Oh. So wala siyang cholesterol, so okay siya for me. And ang sodium na is konti lang, 45 mg. And it has potassium and calcium. Masarap. Mm. Mm. Yun lang. Bye. Sarap.